Hello student, in this video I will solve exercise 8.2 from question number 10. This is given the quotient of r minus 1 rth and r plus 1th term in the expansion of x plus 1 power n are in the ratio of 1:3:5. Find the value of m and r. Okay, so first I will find the coefficient of r minus 1 rf and r 1 plus 1 term. Okay, so for the r minus 1 term in the expansion of x plus 1, which is equal to t r minus 1 can be written as t r minus 2 plus 1, which is equal to n c r minus 2. Okay, r minus 2 and x के power r minus 2, and similarly the rth term is, this is written as t r minus 1 plus 1. Okay, so therefore this is m c r minus 1 and x to the power r minus 1 and r plus 1 term, this is t r plus 1, which is equal to n c r and x to the power r. Okay, so therefore the coefficient of r minus 1th, rth and r plus 1 term and r plus 1th term so the coefficient of r minus 1th, rth and r plus 1 term in the expansion of x plus 1 power n is, this is n c r minus 2, n c r minus 1 and n c r respectively. Okay, and their ratio is given here. This is n c r minus 2 factorial is to n c r minus 1 is to n c r equal to 1 comma 3. Okay, 1 is to 3 is to 5. Okay, then we need to find the value of n and r. So this is written as n c r minus 2 by n c r minus 1, which is equal to 1 by 3 and and NCR minus 1 NCR minus 1 by NCR equal to 3 by 5. Okay, now first I will simplify NCR minus 2 by NCR minus 1 equal to 1 by 3. So this is the factorial n by r minus 2 factorial and n minus r plus 2 factorial whole by factorial n upon r minus 1 factorial into r minus 1 factorial into n minus r plus 1 factorial equal to 1 by 3. Now simplify this. So here factorial and cancel out and r minus 1 factorial upon n minus r plus 1 factorial divided by r minus 2 factorial upon n minus r plus 2 factorial which is equal to 1 by 3 and again now simplify. So this become r minus 1 and r minus 2 factorial and this is same as n minus r plus 1 factorial upon this is r minus 2 factorial into n minus r plus 2 into n minus r plus 1 factorial. So we can cancel n minus r plus 1 factorial, n minus r plus 1 factorial, which is numerator and denominator, and also r minus 2 factorial, r minus 2 factorial. So we left here r minus 1 by n plus n minus r plus 2 equal to 1 by 3. This is 1 by 3. This is 1 by 3. Okay, now cross multiply. So this becomes 3r minus 3 equal to n minus r plus 2. So this is 2r okay, this is 3r 3r minus okay, this is n and minus 4r plus 5 equal to 0. Okay, so say this is equation number 1. And again simplify NCR minus 1 by NCR which is equal to 3, 5 and 5. So this is factorial n by r minus 1 factorial and n minus r plus 1 factorial divided by factorial n upon factorial r and n minus r factorial equal to 3 by 5. Okay, so factorial n factorial cancel out and this is factorial r n minus r and r minus 1 factorial inside bracket n minus r plus 1 factorial, which is equal to 3 by 5. So this is r minus 1 factorial and n minus r factorial by r minus 1 factorial and n minus r plus 1 factorial become r minus 1 factorial. Here we can cancel out n minus r factorial and r minus 1 factorial. So this is r by n minus r plus 1 equal to 3 by 5 factorial. So now cross multiply, so this become 5r equal to 3n minus 3r plus 3. So this is 3n minus 7r plus 3 equal to 0. Say equation number 2. Okay, equation number 1 and 2. So this is 8r. So now solving equation 1 and 2. Solving equation 1 and 2. 1 is n minus 4r equal to minus 5. This is equation number 1. And 2 is 3n minus 8r equal to minus 2. Now equation 1 multiply by 3. So this is 3n minus 12r equal to minus 15 and 3n minus 8r equal to minus 3. So minus this plus 3n cancel out and minus 8r plus 8r 12 minus 12r plus 8r, which is equal to minus 4r equal to minus 12 and r equal to this is 3. Okay, and for the value of n, substituting r in value of r in equation 1, so this become n minus 4 into 3 equal plus 5 equal to 0. So n minus 12 plus 5 equal to 0. So this implies the value of r n equal to 7. Okay, so here we have find out the value of r and n. R equal to 3 and n equal to 7. So this is the solution of question number 10. Now move to the question number 11. This is prove that the coefficient of x to the power n in the expansion of 1 plus x to the power 2n is twice the coefficient of x to the power n in the expansion of 1 plus x power 2n minus 1. Okay, so the r plus 1th term in the expansion of 1 plus x to the power 2n is given by this is t r plus 1 equal to 2n c r x to the power r. Okay, so therefore the coefficient of x to the power n, the coefficient of x to the power n, which is equal to 2n c n. Okay, 2c n 2n c n. Okay, So this is 2n cn, okay, equal to 2n factorial upon factorial n factorial and 2n minus n factorial, which is equal to 2n factorial by n factorial and n factorial. Similarly, the r plus 1th term in the extension 1 plus x power 2n minus 1. Similarly, the r plus 1th term in the extension of 1 plus x power 2n minus 1 is given by this is r plus 1 equal to 2n minus 1 cr x to power r. Okay, so therefore the coefficient of x to power n, okay, x to power n, which is equal to 2n minus 1 cn. So now simplify this. So this is 2n minus 1 factorial upon factorial n and 2n minus 1 minus n factorial. Now simplify. So this is 2n minus 1 factorial upon n factorial and this is n minus 1 factorial. Now multiply 2n, okay, so this is 2n into 2n minus 1 factorial by, and this is 2n into n factorial n minus 1 factorial. So this is the 2n minus 1 factorial, which is equal to 2n factorial by this is n factorial into 2 equal to n and n minus 1 factorial. So this is the 2n factorial and this is the n factorial, okay, 2n factorial and n factorial. So now comparing from equation 1, okay, so the coefficient of 2n c, the coefficient of 2n minus 1 c n, which is equal to, okay, which is from equation 1 and this from equation 2, the coefficient of 2n c n, which is equal to 1 upon okay, 2n c n twice the 2n plus 1 c n, okay, so the coefficient of 2n c n, which is twice, okay, 2n c n equal to 2n plus 1 c n. So this is we have to prove 2n Cn equal to n plus 1 Cn. Okay. So this is the solution of question number 11. Now further move to the question number 12. This is last question of exercise 8.2. Find a positive value of m for which the coefficient of x square in the expansion 1 plus x to the power m is 6. Okay. So the r plus 1 factor of 1 plus x to the power m is given by this is t r plus 1 equal to m c r x to the power r. Okay, t r plus 1 equal to m c r x to the power r. So therefore the coefficient of x to the power 2. Okay, the coefficient of x to the power 2 which is equal to mc2, and the coefficient of x to the power 2 is given by 6. So now simplify. So this is factorial m upon factorial 2 and m minus 2 factorial equal to 6. So this is m minus 1 factorial upon 2 and m minus 1 and this is m minus 2 factorial equal to 6. So this is cancel out, and m minus 1 equal to 12. So this is m square minus m minus 12 equal to 0. Now simplify. This is a quadratic equation. M square minus 4m plus 3m minus 12 equal to 0. So m minus 4 plus 1 plus 3 m minus 4 equal to 0 and m minus 4 and m plus n equal to 0. So here the value of m is plus 4 and n is this is n plus 3 minus 3. M is minus 3. So the value of m which is positive. So this is m equal to 4. So this is the solution of question number 12. We find out a positive value of m which is equal to 4.